Whoa, Alyssa. I knew there was going to be money hidden in this locker.
Going on an adventure.
What is up, locker heads? Just a quick disclaimer before this video starts. We did find stuff in this locker, and that's why we stopped recording, that we had to turn into the facility that wasn't papers. I don't really want to get into it, but it was not 100% legal to own, but it wasn't like drugs. And then we found other stuff later on that we told them about, and they told us that if I don't know if they're really gonna, but they told us they'd let the cops know, and if the cops investigated, they'd give us our information. And I'm not gonna show it, but we have it on video in case somebody needs to see it, that we found it in the locker. It's not ours or whatever. But like I said, it's not drugs and it's not technically illegal, but it's something I wanted to turn in because I didn't want to be driving around the neighborhood with it. And apparently, one of the reasons why they weren't really concerned with it at the facility is they told us that the guy was like already locked up, and he called and was trying to like give him an extension until he gets out. So he was already busted for something. So it's like, I don't think they're actually going to call the cops, but if they do, we will let you know on update on the situation. But I don't think there's going to be an update. I think they probably took the things and threw them out. But I just didn't want to drive around with those in my car if we got pulled over and the cops were like, why do you have this in the car? I'll be like, so I gave it to them, and that's why we stopped recording at that time. Well, we didn't really stop recording, but we didn't put the footage in. So I just wanted to give you that little update, and like I said, we will keep you updated on the situation. If there is a situation, I don't think there's going to be, because the history with the guy, like the people at the facility were like very aware of him, and like when we came in to buy the pay for the locker, they're like, oh, you got this guy's locker. So I don't think they actually turned it in because they didn't want to deal with the cops. It wasn't anything actually illegal, but it's stuff you don't want to have in your car.
Can I just say that this is the best vague story I've ever heard?
Because I don't want to...
I know. It's the most amazing
just use your imagination.
Story.
What do people that sell illegal things use to turn those into smaller things? So it's pretty much those things, if you know what I mean. It's like that big, you put stuff on it, and then you put the stuff from that into the things. But I didn't want to drive around with that, because if you get pulled over, with that,
I can just see the comments going now. But I love it.
But like I said, I don't want to get involved if I don't have to, because I really didn't care. Like, I don't care if somebody does that. That's their own choice. But like I said, I didn't want to drive around in my car, especially where the neighborhood we were in. And I don't think that they wanted to deal with the cops. But I gave it to them. That's my job, is to give it to them. And since it technically wasn't illegal...
Now we have it recorded that we gave it to them.
But since it's not technically illegal, it's just kind of looks illegal. Together? Like, if they were separate, it'd be like, okay, but together they look bad. So, that's the story. I know this is way too long, but thank you guys for watching and enjoy the video. Locker heads, I forgot to, show the opening, but this skateboard was in there. It's pretty used up, but it's still someone that, needs a new skateboard at the flea market or whatever would like it. We also have this board, maybe 20 bucks, 30 bucks at the flea market, because as you hear, there is no pop left in that sucker. But look, let's see, Corey on a skateboard. Ooh, Corey on a skateboard. So the first thing I noticed is there is another mini skateboard. Oh, an Enjoy one. That's really cool. And there seems to be some Yankee stuff over here. A nice Yankees coat. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Anything in the pockets? Are they pocket levers? Nope, nothing in the pockets, but let's start bringing this stuff down and looking through pretty quick. My assistant for today, can you please show me what is in these boxes? It says Clark's. Oh, but it's not Clark's. It is some kids' toys, which do great at the flea market, which might actually be better than Clark's at this point. And then let's see the box underneath. It is a Jordan box. I got this one, big guy. Oh, hold that for me. Thank you. All right, so let's see what we got in here. I think it's more clothes. Is it just clothes? But yeah, clothes do fine for us. There's a Kool-Aid shirt, pretty cool.
What a Kool-Aid shirt.
Here, let's see if it fits you. It's an XL.
Oh, nice.
Does it fit you?
I don't know.
Let's see. The Kool-Aid Man. Oh, yeah.
I like it, actually.
Keep it if you want it.
Yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to show you guys. We did find this unopened, or maybe opened, I don't know, but Legos. It looks unopened, actually. It's a Lego Star Wars one. I have to look it up, but I know Lego kits do go for decent money, as we found out last year. Oh, and look, another one. I'm in Ninja Turtles one. I don't know if that's Lego. No, that's Mega Block. But it is Ninja Turtles. It's really cool. And we have another few things in there for later on. Whoa, Alyssa. I knew there was going to be money hidden in this locker. Guys. We gotta make sure they're not fake, obviously.
Let's take a look-see.
Some of them look fake. I don't know.
It's got the line. We just have to do the marker test. This one, these are hard to fake, but
looks real to me, but
they have the lines. They don't look washed.
I see the faces.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Let me see the serial numbers on them. Nope, they're fake.
Aw, damn.
Wow, $500. So, $600 came out of the books, but there's one problem. They're all fake. Fake, 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 fake money. Look, this is how fake it is, guys.
That hurt so bad.
The guy must have made counterfeit bills, and that's why he got his locker taken away, went to jail or something. What is up, locker heads? We are here with a quick recap. There was a lot of good stuff, but a lot of it was clothing, and I know we've been doing a lot of that recently, so I kind of just put that on the side. And we're going to show you the best of the best from this locker, and just give you an estimate of what we think about what we'll get out of it. So you have obviously the Mark Gonzalez board, which we're going to do a storage locker spotlight on that very soon. And that board is probably anywhere from, I'm not going to sell it for less than 60. I could see it going up to like 70 or 80. If the condition was better, it would probably be a lot more money. We have the Enjoy board, which is currently sold out on the website, but I think it sells for like 25, 30 bucks on the website. But it is sold out, so I'm going to put it up for starting bid 20 bucks, and then go from there if it doesn't sell. And then we have these Venture trucks that are red, very, very red. And I put them up for starting bid 15, and they already have a bid on them actually. So that's pretty good, and we're hoping to go for like 20, 30 bucks, give or take. It doesn't really matter though. You know, the more money the better, obviously. And then last but not least, this really nice backpack. It's a Jack Wolfskin. Yeah, it's a Jack Wolfskin. It's a little bit dirty, but overall there's no rips in any of the major spots or whatever. And it probably goes from 35 to 70. We haven't listed it yet. But we're going to put it for bidding because of the condition. If it would have been like in a little bit better, we probably would have just did buy it now. But because of that, we are putting it for, what do you call it? Bidding. So we don't know exactly how much it's going to sell for. But just for an overall estimate of what we think the locker is going to end up selling for, like everything in it. Like obviously, you know, we found that fake money, which would have been amazing. But, there's probably, we spent 80 or 70 on this one?
80?
I can't remember. We spent 70 or 80 on this one. We'll know from the guess the price because we'll look it up. But there's probably at least $300 or $400 worth of stuff, maybe even more. But I'm going to say $300 or $400 just to be conservative. it's not what I needed right now because we need like small lockers that have like thousands of dollars worth of stuff because I can't buy as many.
Or like $1,100 in a book.
That would have been really nice. But every time we make a profit, we're happy. I'm working on my health. I've been doing a lot of stuff to try and get healthy. I've been exercising. I've been eating better. I've been going to like doctor's appointments nonstop to try and get some type of shots in my leg. Because they're telling me that the tumors aren't causing pain, but I have arthritis and bone spurs that are forming for no reason. So they're trying to figure out what's wrong with me still. Now they're saying no, it's something different than the tumors, which is good, meaning the tumors are doing nothing. So they're looking at the bone spurs and arthritis and trying to figure out that. But they told me because my leg is stable, they told me to try and start exercising. So I've been trying to do that as best as I can. But I've been doing it. I've been making myself go as much as I physically can for walks and lifting some light weights, nothing crazy, just light ones. But you know, it helps pay the bills. But we need the big lockers again, which is going to be coming soon. That's what I love. I love a big locker, a 10 by 10. Love it. So those hopefully will be coming back very soon. Hopefully next month. This month with all the doctor's appointments and stuff, I was only able to get these 2 small rooms, and both of them will probably be profitable. We'll have to look closer at the other room that we bought, but this one's definitely going to be profitable. Either at $70 or $80 because it's like $300 or $400 worth of stuff. I'm going to say 3, but I definitely think we get probably 4 out of it because there was a lot of men's clothing like jeans. There was probably like 20 pair of jeans which go for like $5 to $10 a piece. A few other things, but sometimes stuff doesn't sell. So I'm just going to give you that estimate, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!